Hi Bobby, this is Nirmal Subramanian and I work as a consultant for PCE Consulting Company. Obviously, you know the full form of PCE Consulting Company. And thanks for sending us the data to do the marketing analysis. If you hear the noise outside, it's due to the thunderstorm. And we're having some bad weather here. Hopefully, it should get better. So let's return to your analysis. You might have got the memo that we had sent you. So let me explain a little bit more about the memo that we sent you. Basically, we got your data. The data had some quality issues. Our research scientists worked on the data, cleaned up the data, and they used it for the predictive analysis. So the model that they did was a linear regression model. Why linear regression model? Is because linear regression model shows the relationship between a dependent variable and independent variable. It describes the data in terms of dependent and independent variables, one or more independent variables. That is an equation, obviously, and if you look at the memo, you can see the equation that has a constant coefficient, and we used it for our predictive analysis. Now, the reason why we used two models is one is a kitchen sink model, and then one was the stepwise model. The kitchen sink model was because we thought we can use spending as a dependent variable and the rest of the variables, the attributes that you had given to us, as independent variable. But what happened was, because of the record ID, our prediction was wrong. So, as you know, in any analysis, we always do a trial and error. We see how things happen. So that's why we moved away from kitchen sink model into stepwise model. So here in stepwise model, we found out after we learned from the mistake of doing the kitchen sink model, not a lot of variables make much sense, and we went with two variables. As you can see, one was the organic variable and one was the cost of the dog. So we used that to calculate the regression analysis. The linear regression model was done based off that. So basically what we did was we had as you know, in any data modeling, it involves a lot of steps that requires data cleansing, data transformation, and working on the different models, trial and error, and make sure that we get the required forecasting that we need. So I understand that you wanted to identify 10 top potential customers out of your 5,000 customers that you have in your client database. So, and after we did the analysis, we found out that um, the household income was not a good identifier of the potential customers. Rather, it's the spending equation. So if you see, based on the model that we did, we found out from the cost of the dog, basically, for our folks need to afford to spend to buy the dog, and then they spend towards the food. So that is a linear relationship between that, and the spending is related to these two independent variables. So that is the reason why we are very sure that the household income is not a good predictor, and you should always go and aim for folks who do good spending on the dog food. So basically, that being said, I hope our memo and our analysis helps you a lot in what you want to do. And if you have any questions regarding the data or regarding the way we did the modeling, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. And we are always here to help you out. And in any case, in any way, we'll always try to um, make sure that you understand the data and how you can market the data to your potential customers. So that being said, thanks for offering us this project, We had a wonderful time working on it, and we look forward to work with you more. Thanks, and have a nice day. Bye.